Hey guys, this is Tasnim. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how you can transform a daytime look into a nighttime look using 5 minutes only. The daytime look is going to be very minimal and glowy as you guys saw in the last clip. So let's get started. For the first thing, I'm going to be starting out with primer. This is the Becca Luminizer Primer. I don't remember the exact name, but I'm going to mention all the details in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So anyways, this primer is very luminizing, very glowy, and that's how I like it for winter. And if you guys catch me looking at the side, I'm extremely sorry. That's where the mirror was. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Dewy+Smooth foundation in the shade 240 Golden Beige. I'm going to at first dab it in, and then I'm gonna dot it in, then blend it in a dabbing motion across my face. Also guys, I'm trying out this new setup, and also I bought a new ring light, so the lighting is very ew in the clips where I blend out my foundation and concealer, so please forgive me for that. Now for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. I'm going to apply it to the inner corner of my eyes and then blend it in using a beauty blender again. This concealer also gives you a dewy finish and a medium coverage. You can also build it to a full coverage if you want to. For blush, I'm using my go-to e.l.f. blush palette in the shade Dark. I'm going to use that coral shade and apply it to the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to make this look very rosy. I'm also applying this blush in between my nostrils. Like, it just gives you a look that you came out of the cold. For mascara, I'm using my Golden Rose Lash Sensational Mascara. This mascara will give you a lot of volume. I'm not gonna use a lipstick today, instead a lip gloss. This is the Colourpop X Becca lip gloss in the shade Steelo. It's a clear lip gloss with like pink and golden glitter specks in it. I absolutely love it. And yeah, that's about it. For setting spray, definitely use a setting spray since you're gonna carry this base makeup at night. I'm using the NYX matte finish setting spray. If you can use the dewy setting spray instead. My base was already dewy, so I just used the matte one. Also guys, check out the glow. I didn't even use a highlighter. Coming to the glamorous and nighttime look. So let's get started. For the nighttime look, I'm going to start out with some loose powder. This one is by J.casnova Paris. Now, by the time after 7 or 8 hours, your base might get oily. So keep some loose powder in hand. You can use a compact powder if you want to, but I feel like that will make your makeup cakey. Give some structure to your face by using a bronzer. This one is by W7. I'm going to use it to contour. So apply it to the hollows of your cheeks using a dense brush. This one is by Real Technique. Apply it to your jawline, your temples, and down your chin area, everywhere you need some bronzing and definition. Taking the same bronzer in a blending brush, I'm going to apply it to my crease for adding definition again. I'm just applying the lipstick beforehand. I used the Colourpop lipstick in the shade Lovebug. The eye look I'm just about to do, you can even pair a red lip with it to make the makeup even more gorgeous. You can also add falsies if you want to. Just do you. Ugh. taking a loose glitter. This is by Focallure in the shade number 7, Golden Peach. I'm gonna take it in a flat brush. I at first added it on the cap because I didn't want it to get messy. Anyways, I'm gonna drag the whole thing across my whole eyelid. It's gonna give you a lot of sparkle. If you want, you can with the brush. It will give a more intense look, but I feel like when you're transforming a daytime look to a nighttime look, you can't obviously carry a lot of stuff, so I'm trying to show you as less products possible. I'm just gonna blend off the edges using the same blending brush I used to, deposit the bronzer in my crease. Finishing off the makeup with some mascara. This one is by Coastel Scents. This is their Lash Envision mascara, my current favorite. I'm gonna just apply like 2 coats to my lashes, and yeah, that's it. We are done. Hope you guys liked the video. If you do, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you're doing anything for New Year's. And I'll see you all next time. Love you all so much. Bye.